Hello everyone, it's Technovation 2020. Here is our team Sparkling New Boys. Here we are going to explain a project that is especially useful for an paralyzed patients. That's health monitoring glove for those paralyzed patients. Okay, let's enter into our project. In this project, we have fixed an 5 flex sensor to the 5 fingers of these gloves, and it's a temperature sensor to measure the temperature of the patient body, and it's a vibration sensor that detects the vibration of the patient body, and it's a gas sensor that detects the gases present around the room, and finally it's a heartbeat sensor that measures the pulse rate or heartbeat rate of a patient. These sensors are required for our project. Okay, now let's enter into our coding part. This is the code required for our project. The code has been executed in Arduino software. Here is the code. Okay. Now the code has been compiling. You can see that in the window. Before executing our code, we just need to check some basic conditions. Yeah, we have to connect the port. Okay. Now our code has been compiling. You can see that at that right corner. Yeah, our code has been compiling. Now you can see that in black window. Now it's 5%. We have just wait until that comes 100%. Yeah, it's 100%. Now the output has been executed. Yeah, you can see the output in the window. See, you can see heartbeat rate, vibration and gases, temperature, flexibility. You can see that vibration is not detected. You can see that. And flexibility, temperature rate. These are the outputs that's sensed out by sensor. Okay, now we can update these values, these data in our Firebase. You can see now there is a new database called Healthcare. Now we have to upload our data in that database. Yeah. You can see there is an 5 sensors data: flex sensors, temperature sensor, vibration sensor. Yeah, you can see that we have been uploading. Yeah, now you can see the readings, that is data sensed by our sensors. You can see here we are flexing our fingers. Now you can see those readings in the window. See the window flexing range is changing from, yeah, it's changing. Okay, now let's enter into an app section. This app is very useful. This app can be installed by patient's relatives or the doctor who is consulting the patient. He can see the patient data at any time whenever he can want. Because in this data we can see all the data about the patient. See, here is the fluxing status, body temperature and vibration is not detected. We can see everything we want. Thank you very much.